Okay. Yo, check it out, yo. Gukhalipha Samkelo Mbangwa. Well known as Ukaisla again. We are on our show that is called Questions Game. Yeah, man. Otherwise, this show is sponsored by PCT Studios with ukusifotela yona and giving us the funds to give our people baxa bewina bafanele a bit of a prize. So the prize here too is 50 rand. So each question that you answer correctly you it 10 rand, but there are rules. If ufumane zonke you get the 50 rand. If you ufumane 3 you get 30 rand. If you ufumane less than 3 you get nothing. So that's what's up. Aras ndino sisaphica kwam sisungwane igama lakho udume ngani?
Ithandile anduma kangani.
Nix.
Nix.
Nawuphapha kanye.
Ay.
Ukusa no.
Ndume ukuhleka.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
Yahleka ne?
Thank.
Kawuhleke ndile.
Yo.
Hey.
It's a wow. It's a wow. Okay, so are you ready for our game?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, uzothola izingaphi xa ucela?
Hayi zonke.
Sithemba ne?
Hayi mazingekho nzima zonke ya.
Okay. Hayi zazikho nzima.
Yeah.
So you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
First question. What do you love? Do you like reading books?
Hey. Ndake ndafunda inoveli eyi-1 ngoku kudala hayi.
Kwangephi?
Whitney's Kiss.
Funda hayi bantwana bam. Hey, with this kiss. Okay. All right. Hayi mandikiyeke phezu encwadini because I don't think uzazifumana. Man ndikusizele yabo. Ndikusizela. Okay. I work with a company, no? That is called Umadifa. Yeah, but that does films and stuff. Umadifa, we work with our biggest artist, Umadifa. It's Mantolwan. So we work with Mantolwan, no? So Mantolwan ukhiphe uMantolwana wakhe ethi trip to Durban. It's on YouTube. How many views does that movie have on YouTube? How many views does that movie have on YouTube? Mantolwane 4 Trip to Durban.
1.1 million.
Aye.
1.1 million.
Huh?
1.1 million.
Yeah.
1.1 million.
Yeah.
No, we're not closing no show. We are not closing. We are not closing no show. We are not closing no show.
Okay. It's a whip. The brain is not braining. Go ugly guys, go. Otherwise, do you want to know the correct answer?
Yeah.
Okay, the correct answer is 1.3 million views. Kethi kancinci yebo. Kodwa ichana we are looking for answers is right, not as kancinci.
Wow, man, don't laugh.
Yeah.
Okay. So siya kulandelayo no? Okay. Ifoni ithi yazilokha ngoba inxa bayaqoba kaloku bayakopa.
Phansi ngama-cheater, phansi.
Down with the cheetah.
Phansi ngama-cheater, phansi.
Akopa sisavele kathi cameraman. Yabona sojo ngama-cherry ngo. Okay. Second question, ndiyabona ngabantu sebayagodola sekuyabana nokubanda. Bekushisa kanjani ke emini guys eMatatela, but now it's very cold. Anyway, let's carry on. Second question, no? It What's the things are easy kanje sivelayo.
Oh man, don't laugh.
Yeah? Okay, that is easy, kodwa ke it's fine. Let me choose one. What's the biggest podcast in South Africa?
Podcast.
Hayi.
Podcast.
Hayi.
Joseph.
Hey banna.
Oh.
Hey banna.
Joseph. Podcast. Hi. Hi. Yo. Ile ya eka ithini? Kodwa khona Lois Bags.
Igama, we're looking for answers here, not clues.
Yeah, ndiliwele but khona Lois Bags. Or dark.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, your final answer is?
Hi. Yeah. Hi. Andiyazi.
Okay, akayazi ke. So it's a khwephe. The name of that biggest podcast in South Africa and even in Africa, the studies show that it's Podcast and Chill with Meg G and Sol Penduga, the chubby guy, on his specs. Awuthoki igama kaloku ba which is awuthoki igama muzi.
Kodwa tshilo ukuthi Lois Bags ngeka.
Uthi Lois Bags mina ngibuza igama is the biggest podcast igama.
Ngeke.
Huh? Uyikhetshile kodwa ke.
2 rand ke.
R2. Negotiate.
Ngibe ndi-close yabo tshilo ukuthi ya.
Sizathatha ne-sponsors mhlawumbe R2 singabona because isinyano chile uba uSol Penduka lo Bags. All right, cool. Masiye kwelandelayo, ne? Masiye kwelandelayo. Are you ready for the third question, ne? Is the third question, ne?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you ready for it?
Yeah.
Okay. Because if you get this one, ungayifumani 30 rand nyana. Phofu kanene awukufunanga zoyi-2 ezi-2.
Kodwa bendi-close kuzo zoyi-2.
Well, lesifuna answers, not even closeness. We want answers, not closeness. Show mkhulu.
Okay.
All right. So third question. Ready? Okay. Who's the Minister of Employment and Labor in South Africa?
Okay.
Yo. Masiyek.
Sorry.
Mgabe. It's a wow. I go ugly guys, go be.
Anmazi.
I the brain is not braining anger. Oh Mazina.
I'm Anmazi.
Okay. Fine. So it's a whippy guys, we get you. Whippy. Let's move to the fourth question. Because once again I want to say no. So let's just move to the fourth question. Are you ready for it?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, the fourth question is who's the ward councillor, no? ASA Ward 26, which is Citaville.
Hey, Yo. Yo. Ngumazwi.
Guys, it was AI.
It's a wow. It's a khwephe. Umazwi, ukhansela mazwi ngwase Ward 1, not Ward 26. Wase Ward 26 ngu-JM Luthuli. Yes, ukhansela JM Luthuli wase Ward 26, which is Citavel. Anyway, let's move to the last question. For sure uzoyithola. If uyayichola lena, ngiyakunika 50 rand. Sifuna answers, not the closeness.
Yo.
Okay.
Yes, so to get the last question. What's the full meaning of Usandral?
Sandral. South African road and road. Sandral.
Wow, man, don't laugh.
South African. What do you know in Endlela? Road. South African road.
My sister, we are looking for answers, not clues here.
Okay. South African road and funds.
At what point does this make any sense? At what point?
It doesn't make it.
At what point do you think?
Funds.
Ufuna usiphi score?
Multi high.
Hey, multi high.
Isikhambi ngake ngake mpela ngake isikhambi awukhona hali shem wa understand
Ngeke ndifunda apha yizo kuseyizo sathi sitwile kuphuma iscore. Zasifuna lands.
Yeah.
Okay, nah, it's a khwephe. Go big guys, go ugly. The full definition, it's South African National Roads Agency.
Where's the rest?
Oh my, what the heck? What? Oh my gosh, guys, this is crazy.
Can khona no end.
Go end. National, I need to Sanral. Yes.
Mandiva usara.
Yo. Nasiyek.
Sanral. Oh, Ibo. Anyway, I was KG show my sister. I'm so funny next, but you have man musiklia in the split near friends in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, which is not bad. No?
Hi, have fun.
Yes, about right, yeah.
Kodwa bendi close. Le eka soul.
Yeah, that was hilarious.
Yeah, yona nje ngeke.
Sifuna answers not to be close nje.
Anmazi igama kaloku.
Okay, guys, no, man. Thank you for watching to this point. And subscribe to our channel, PC2 Studios, on YouTube. On social media, zonke zinye is PCT_studios. Please subscribe, follow, like, comment, and do all the things. Sisi, if abantu bafuna ukufumana on social media, how can they get you? If you have ukufumana above.
Ithandile kwabini.
On which one?
Zonke.
Okay, no?
Yeah, ithandile.
Alright, no problem. Yeah, man. Otherwise, Nimvile ithandile kwabeni. Follow her. Yeah, man. Otherwise, you can also follow me. KSLA_music on social media zonke. But on Facebook, Ngukhalipha Kaysla Samkelo Mbango. Yeah, follow me there. Otherwise, yeah, man. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share, comment, do all the things. Peace out.
Are you looking for the best? Best photography, best videography. We've got you covered. PCT Studios. Book us now.
Emoyeni wami wena uyigongo kwamsangena basemathandweni kanje. Are you the one I breathe, the one I live, the one I will die for?